In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Filmora, an incredibly versatile video editing software. Filmora is widely used by beginners and professionals alike for its intuitive interface and powerful editing tools. Let's jump right in and explore how you can easily import media to begin your creative process. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Filmora. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in the Filmora website address. This will bring you to Filmora's main page, which is your launchpad to start editing your videos. If you haven't installed the software yet, make sure to download and install it to access all the features. Once you're on Filmora's main interface, you'll see a variety of options. Focus on finding the Media section, which is a hub for all the clips, audio, and images you'll be working with. Click on this Media button, and it should navigate you to the space where you manage your files. Now, you're about to learn a key step in video editing, and that's importing your media files. Look for the Import option, usually represented by a button or icon on the screen. Clicking this Import button will open up a file browser where you can navigate through your computer's directories. It's time to select the video files, audio tracks, and images you want to work with in your project. Just click or hold down your Control key to select multiple files, and then click Open. Filmora will begin importing these files into its media library. Importing files into the media section is crucial because it organizes all your content in one place, making it easily accessible for editing. You can even create different folders to better manage your imported files, which is particularly useful if you're working on a complex project with numerous elements. This organization not only streamlines your workflow, but also enhances productivity by minimizing the time spent searching for files. And there you have it. You've successfully brought your media into Filmora, ready for editing. From here, you can dive into trimming video clips, adding transitions, or incorporating music to produce a polished video. Remember, the import stage is just the beginning of your creative journey. As you become more comfortable with Filmora, you'll undoubtedly discover additional features and tools that can elevate your projects even further. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you take the first step towards mastering video editing with Filmora. Feel free to leave any questions you might have in the comments below, and if you'd like to see more tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Happy editing!